I am currently watching 2 pileated woodpeckers. This tree, for some reason, at the Airbnb is woodpecker heaven. I have seen a downy woodpecker, I have seen pileated woodpeckers, and red bellies in this tree. So cool. And there they go. Is getting distracted by birds. Anyways, good morning, my beautiful bluebirds, and welcome back to the channel. If you haven't already, please comment, subscribe, like, all the things. We are going to go kayaking at Silver Springs, and we're gonna go in clear kayak. Of course you're coming, so let's go ahead and see what's going on. Shout out to one of my 40 subscribers sitting on this line up here. I had never seen one of you bluebirds in person, so shout out you. This was our first time coming to Silver Springs, and like I said in the last video, this is easily my favorite spring now because it just feels so much bigger and more grand. I don't even know how to describe it. It's just a super wide spring, very deep, very blue. It's so beautiful. Some unique things about the springs are that the Silver Springs pump out millions of gallons of fresh water every single day. And it's also one of the oldest tourist attractions in Florida. It's been doing glass bottom boat tours since the 1800s. We had a 2-hour kayak tour, but that did not feel long enough at all. Like I was already saying, I want to go back and spend like multiple days at the spring. There is so much that we didn't see. Speaking of that, I will show you some pictures at the end of the monkeys that my new friend Jessica shared with me. They were on their own kayak, so they were able to take a bit of a longer path, but unfortunately we had to turn the opposite way, so we weren't able to see the monkeys, but the pictures she got are so cool. I definitely can't wait to go back. We definitely, as you will see, we're not lacking wildlife. We saw otters, birds, turtles, and much, much more. This path is also great for beginners. It wasn't hard to paddle, especially in the early morning. It was very quiet and very calm. And there were a good amount of families and younger kids on the river as well. So a super nice, gentle ride. And although we didn't see the monkeys, I still had one of my favorite experiences that I've had with wildlife so far. My favorite duck is the wood duck, and I have yet to get a good picture or video. And when I tell you guys, I don't know what was going on this spring, but Silver Springs is the wood duck heaven. I'm talking males, females, babies. It was giving wood duck nation. And I gotta say, the male is definitely my favorite. Every color of the rainbow on that dude. Like, what a cool looking duck. The babies were so freaking cute and photogenic. That was my favorite experience of the whole weekend, honestly. It was so nice to just watch them and take pictures of them. That was definitely the best part. End of our paddle, we ran into some nice dudes. Shout out to y'all on YouTube. Put you in the vlog. They said they saw monkeys and we are super jealous of them. And here are Jessica's videos of the river otters and some pictures of the monkeys that she posted. They are so cute and I'm so grateful she's shared this with us because we were just not close enough to the otter to get this footage. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed. And if you like the song in my new intro, I will put the link in the bio. That's actually me and my husband's band. So yeah, go check us out on Spotify, Apple Music, and all that. And I will see you next time. Bye.